hot, sicker than your average.
Welcome to the behind the scenes of my latest video, New York at Night. Well, for this Nikon gig, I really wanted to shoot like super low light to show you guys how I pretty much use prime lenses 35 and the 50 to record some of the scenes from tonight. And we're currently in Hudson Yards in New York, and it's a beautiful night out. It's about like 75, 80 degrees, and it's summertime in New York. Since this was my first time shooting with Nikon, I had to get used to mounting the lens the opposite direction. The battery was the same as any other camera, but shooting with XQD cards was something new for me. First thing I did was set my camera to 4K 24 frames. I also turned on the electronic vibration reduction just because I was doing a bunch of handheld shots. Shooting handheld is one of my favorite things to do. And I was really inspired to do this shoot because B&H reached out to me and wanted me to cover this new Nikon Z6. So I took it to the test just to test out the low light capabilities and how it would work in my sort of lifestyle. For this video, I ended up using the DJI Ronin S for those smooth gimbal shots. The Nikon Z6 is super compact, so it was easy to balance. What I liked about this camera was how easy it was to use it, and this is coming from someone who's never shot with a Nikon camera before. We're currently walking, we're on our way home right now. Just wrapped up the shoot over at the Vessel, and yeah, I just really enjoy doing this stuff, especially in the summertime. So I just want to give a huge shout out to B&H for giving me the opportunity to work with Nikon for my first time. If you guys shoot with Nikon, let me know in the comments down below.